Hi, my name is Ken Gurman. I'm an email marketing and business strategy geek. And what I wanted to share with you is I wanted to share with you one of the tools that I use to determine whether I've set up my domains correctly on Namecheap. When you register a domain on the internet, that domain registration communicates with hundreds and thousands of what are called name servers across the world. And what you want to make sure of is that when you're doing your URL forwarding for your links, you want to make sure that that DNS, what we call domain name service, has propagated across the globe to at least the tier 1 countries before you start sending to that actual link and start using that link. So what this is this tool is at whatsmydns.net, and you can punch in a domain name or put in a domain name and see how far that domain name has propagated. So if I go into my company's domain, partlightpartnersglobal.com, I'm able to see how far that domain has propagated. And what we're concerned about in our using these domains is that we want to make sure that our domain has propagated to North America, Australia, to United Kingdom, New Zealand, and the English-speaking countries, Canada. Now, my process that I'm working on perfecting and getting to go all the time is I'll actually schedule my sends for the next day to go out for the next day. So if I'm on Sunday night, I'm actually online scheduling my sends for Monday. What that allows me to do is allows me to have it so that my DNS will actually propagate it before somebody sees the email. So an example would be, I'll have my first scheduled send go out at say 7:30 in the morning Eastern Standard Time, so that when people are getting to work and they're on their way to work, they'll actually be able to read those emails, because there's actually a pattern to when people are reading emails that you want to be hitting for your sends. And they'll get the next one out around 4:30 in the afternoon, so that when people are coming home from work and they're eating, and then they'll get on 8 o'clock at night or so, that they actually have a time they're going to be reading those emails. So you want to be tracking when people are reading the emails so you get the best open rates and your best click rates. So what you can do in this case, which is what I've done, is you can say my company name as an example, hlpglobal.com. So when you register a new domain on Namecheap, you can test this out by putting in the new name, like happyclicks.pw. It'll show how far the domain has actually propagated. It'll show the IP address that it's propagated to. So hopefully this is a helpful tool for you to help you determine and debugging your process of why the domain name forwarding isn't working. Also, you always want to make sure that when you set your domain name forwarding up, that you use either the wheregoes or the wheregoes.com tool to verify that your forwarding is working. This tool here will tell you how far that forwarding has actually propagated across the internet. So just wanted to give you a quick little tutorial on how domain name service works across the internet. Use this video and use this website, whatsmydns.net, and this is really just a helpful tool to help you debugging your problems and helping you better understand how domain name service works across the internet. Because like when you register with Namecheap, it's going to propagate to thousands of domain name servers, if not millions of domain name servers across the internet. That's how the whole internet communicates. So again, you want to just make sure that you're propagated through the English-speaking countries, North America, Australia, New Zealand, United Kingdom, and Canada, because that's primarily where 94% of our traffic comes from. So hi, my name is Ken Gurman. I'm an email marketing and business strategy geek, and I'm here to help you be successful.